The costliest words you will ever utter are the excuses you use to rationalize not doing the things you know need to be done. Sometimes we stay in our comfort zone because it's a safe place. We know what to expect and there are no surprises. But staying in the same spot can have consequences. If you are not happy with your life, then it might be time to step out of your comfort zone and try something new. Do you have things you need to get done but have been rationalizing your way to inaction, delay, hesitation, and procrastination? I am not talking about day-to-day tasks. I am talking about the bigger things that are dampening your zest for life, stealing your confidence, and keeping you playing small. Know this, your comfort zone is killing you. It's killing your confidence. It's killing your drive. It's killing your chances to leave a legacy you can be proud of. Your comfort zone is preventing you from discovering new things. You are not pushing yourself to be the best person you can be. You are not challenging yourself enough to get better at your job or skills. It doesn't matter if you don't know how to fix your frustration, and it doesn't matter if you don't know what exactly you want. All that matters is you have a burning desire to break out of your rut and you are open to doing things a different way. I am telling you that your comfort zone is not your friend, it's your biggest enemy. Get out of your comfort zone, not tomorrow, not today, but now. Yes, right now. Kill your comfort zone with a commitment to do what needs to be done. Kill your comfort zone with a dedication that you will move forward no matter what the odds are. It is not easy to kill your comfort zone, but there is no other way to be great. To achieve your dreams, to fulfill your expectations, to execute your plans, your comfort zone needs to be killed brutally, and only you can do it. Don't wait, don't hesitate, don't delay, do it now. If you postpone it for tomorrow or some other day, you are making your comfort zone stronger. Strike it with your courage, with your boldness, and kill it before it kills you. Once you kill your comfort zone, you will find the real meaning of life. You will find that you are free to achieve things greater than you ever thought before. You will find that leaving your comfort zone is the biggest decision you ever made. The biggest rewards in life are found outside the comfort zone. You don't know what you are capable of until you move outside of your comfort zone. Stepping out of your comfort zone requires courage. You will find that courage inside yourself if you just take the first step towards something that you want to do or needs to be done. Your great life will begin at the end of your comfort zone. Remember, what tries to kill you makes you stronger. Your uncomfortable zone tries to kill you and it will make you stronger. Don't worry if you suffer setback. After all, failure is the stepping stone towards success. To develop your self-confidence, you need to move out of your comfort zone. The comfort of staying at the used to things, the comfort of meeting the same people over and over again, the comfort of doing the same thing over and over again may increase your experience in the first place, but it is killing you. Without leaving the shore, you cannot explore new boundaries. In order to expand your life, increase your income, increase your experience, increase your knowledge, you must move out of your comfort zone. The only thing that is stopping you from going where you want to go is your comfort zone. The road to success is never comfortable and it's always under construction. Before achieving anything great, your comfort zone must not only be disturbed, it must be shaken brutally. Promise to yourself that on daily basis you will do at least one thing that scares you. No matter how small or big it is, do it at any cost. You may feel uncomfortable, but that is the only way to succeed. Coming out of your comfort zone is tough in the beginning, chaotic in the middle, but awesome in the end. Because in the end, it shows you a whole new world of opportunities. Everything you want in life is always on the other side of your comfort zone. Choosing a path of convenience will lead you nowhere. Your real life will begin at the end of your comfort zone. Growth must be chosen again and again. Fear must be overcome again and again. Your comfort zone must be shaken and disturbed over and over again. Then only you will lead a successful life. Remember, a ship in the harbor is safe, but that was not what a ship is built for. Comfort zone is like a coffin. You stay in the coffin, you are dead, and whole world knows how to bury dead people. If you want to succeed, get comfortable with the uncomfortable. If you want to achieve your dreams, kill your comfort zone with your commitment and dedication. Doing things that you avoid doing and which are uncomfortable to do increase your willpower and confidence and bring you new experiences. Your comfort zone is your safe place, safe heaven and hiding place. To live a greater life, you need to live it. Life will only change when you become more committed to your dreams than you are to your comfort zone. Step outside of your comfort zone and go beyond the boundaries that you and others have set for yourself. Remember, the shell must break before the bird